In the past, a robust physique was often associated with prosperity and well-being. This traditional viewpoint has undergone a dramatic transformation in recent times. Today, we are more aware than ever of the crucial link between our dietary choices and our overall health. The modern perspective recognizes that an excess of rich foods can have detrimental effects on our bodies. By acknowledging the profound impact of our eating habits, we empower ourselves to make conscious decisions that promote our well-being. It's about nourishing our bodies with the nutrients they need to thrive. Let's face it, the allure of a decadent dessert or a plate piled high with comfort food can be hard to resist. But viewing these treats as occasional indulgences rather than dietary staples is crucial. Our bodies need nutrient-rich foods to operate optimally. This means prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods that provide our bodies with the vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants they need to thrive. By choosing foods that provide these essential nutrients, we're essentially investing in our long-term health and well-being. It's about finding a healthy balance, enjoying those indulgences in moderation, while focusing on nourishing our bodies with the fuel they need to function at their best. This balanced approach can lead to sustained energy levels, improved mental clarity, and a stronger, healthier you. While diet plays a pivotal role in maintaining a healthy weight and overall well-being, it's just one piece of the puzzle. True fitness encompasses not only what we eat, but also how we move our bodies, manage stress levels, and prioritize sleep. Regular physical activity is about keeping our bodies active and strong. Engaging in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature can significantly impact our overall well-being. A breakfast, as the old adage goes, is the most important meal of the day. Choosing a nutrient-rich breakfast sets the tone for the entire day, influencing our energy levels, mood, and food choices later on. A well-balanced breakfast provides a steady stream of energy throughout the morning, preventing those dreaded mid-morning crashes. When we nourish our bodies with wholesome foods first thing in the morning, we're more likely to make healthier choices at subsequent meals. When it comes to healthy breakfast options, oatmeal reigns supreme. This humble grain is a nutritional powerhouse packed with fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Oatmeal's high fiber content is particularly noteworthy. Fiber is essential for digestive health, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Additionally, oatmeal's soluble fiber content has been linked to lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. No matter which type of oatmeal you choose, be sure to avoid instant varieties that come pre-flavored and loaded with sugar. Instead, opt for plain oatmeal and sweeten it naturally with fresh or frozen fruit, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. While oatmeal provides a solid nutritional foundation for a healthy breakfast, adding protein and healthy fats to the mix can enhance its satiating power. A dollop of Greek yogurt adds a creamy tang and a boost of protein, while a handful of nuts or seeds provides healthy fats, protein, and added texture. For a more savory breakfast, consider pairing your oatmeal with eggs. By incorporating this nutritional powerhouse into your morning routine, you'll set yourself up for a day of sustained energy, stable blood sugar levels, and optimal health. As the morning progresses and the initial energy boost from breakfast begins to wane, it's not uncommon to experience a dip in energy levels and a resurgence of hunger. These mid-morning hunger pangs are often a sign that our bodies need refueling, signaling that it's time for a nutritious snack. Opting for snacks that are rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats can make a world of difference in how we feel and perform throughout the day. They also help us feel more satisfied and less likely to overeat at subsequent meals, supporting our weight management goals. When it comes to choosing smart snacks, it's all about striking a balance between convenience and nutritional value. One of the simplest and most effective mid-morning snacks is a piece of fruit paired with a source of protein or healthy fats. Apples, bananas, and oranges are all convenient options that provide natural sweetness, fiber, and vitamins. To boost the protein content, consider pairing your fruit with a handful of almonds, a tablespoon of nut butter, or a hard-boiled egg. Vegetables are naturally low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for managing hunger and promoting digestive health. For those who prefer a more savory snack, a small container of Greek yogurt or cottage cheese can provide a satisfying dose of protein and calcium. Lunch serves as a crucial refueling point in our day. A balanced lunch can provide sustained energy, improve focus, and even enhance our mood. By incorporating a mix of lean protein, fiber-rich carbohydrates, and healthy fats, we provide our bodies with the nutrients they need to thrive. Lean protein provides essential amino acids, which our bodies use to build and repair tissues. Healthy fats, found in foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are essential for hormone production, cell function, and nutrient absorption. Salads often come to mind when we think of healthy lunches. To build a better salad, start with a base of leafy greens such as spinach, kale, or romaine lettuce. Next, add a variety of colorful vegetables for added nutrients, fiber, and flavor. For protein, consider grilled chicken breast, salmon, tofu, or lentils. To add healthy fats, sprinkle on a handful of nuts or seeds, add a few slices of avocado, or drizzle with a light vinaigrette made with olive oil or avocado oil. Avoid using heavy, creamy dressings, which can add a significant amount of calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium. While salads can certainly be a healthy and satisfying lunch option, it's also important to explore alternatives to prevent mealtime boredom. Soups are an excellent option for a warm and comforting lunch. Look for soups that are broth-based rather than cream-based and are loaded with vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. Another satisfying and portable lunch option is a wrap or sandwich. Grain bowls have also gained popularity in recent years as a customizable and nutrient-packed lunch option. As the day wears on and lunchtime becomes a distant memory, it's not uncommon to experience a dip in energy levels and a resurgence of hunger. Reaching for candy bars, pastries, or sugary drinks might provide a temporary boost, but they ultimately contribute to blood sugar spikes and crashes. The key to combating the afternoon slump lies in choosing nutrient-dense snacks that combine protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Whole foods provide a greater array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting overall health and well-being. When selecting a mid-afternoon snack, aim for options that are both satisfying and nutrient-rich. A handful of mixed nuts is an excellent choice, providing a combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. For those with a sweet tooth, a small piece of dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao, can be a satisfying and relatively guilt-free indulgence. Another option is a rice cake topped with almond butter or peanut butter. Pairing your snack with a beverage like green tea or sparkling water can further enhance its benefits. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to boost metabolism and promote fat burning. Dinner, often seen as the culmination of our daily meals, presents an opportunity to nourish our bodies with a symphony of flavors and nutrients. It's a time to gather with loved ones, share stories of the day, and savor delicious, wholesome foods that promote well-being. Just as with our earlier meals, the key to a healthy and satisfying dinner lies in creating a harmonious balance of lean protein, fiber-rich carbohydrates, and healthy fats. This trifecta of nutrients provides sustained energy, supports muscle growth and repair, and promotes digestive health. However, a healthy dinner doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor or enjoyment. By embracing fresh, seasonal ingredients and experimenting with herbs, spices, and cooking techniques, we can transform dinner into a culinary adventure that tantalizes the taste buds while nourishing our bodies. Whether you prefer a simple weeknight meal or a more elaborate weekend feast, there are countless ways to make dinner both delicious and nutritious. By prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods and incorporating a variety of colors, textures, and flavors, we can create meals that are both satisfying and supportive of our health goals. Lean protein sources play a crucial role in a well-balanced dinner, providing essential amino acids that our bodies need for a wide range of functions. These amino acids serve as the building blocks for muscle tissue, enzymes, hormones, and other vital molecules. When selecting lean proteins for dinner, opt for options that are low in saturated fat and cholesterol. Fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines are excellent choices, as they're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to improved heart health, brain function, and reduced inflammation. Poultry, such as chicken and turkey, can also be good sources of lean protein, especially when the skin is removed. Choose boneless, skinless breasts or thighs for the leanest cuts. Plant-based protein sources such as beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh offer a wealth of nutrients, including fiber, iron, and potassium. These versatile ingredients can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, from hearty stews and soups to flavorful stir-fries and salads. Vegetables should take center stage on our dinner plates, adding a vibrant splash of color, a satisfying crunch, and a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Aim to fill at least half of your plate with vegetables, incorporating a variety of colors to ensure a diverse range of nutrients. Dark leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and collard greens, are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and calcium. These greens can be enjoyed raw in salads sautéed with garlic and olive oil, or added to soups and stews. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage contain compounds that may help protect against certain types of cancer. These vegetables can be roasted, steamed, grilled, or stir-fried to bring out their naturally sweet and nutty flavors. Root vegetables such as sweet potatoes, carrots, and beets offer a natural sweetness and a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They can be roasted, mashed, or added to soups and stews for a comforting and nutritious meal. Dinner is done and a familiar craving starts to emerge, that desire for something sweet to round out the meal. The key is mindful indulgence. Consider it a treat, enjoy it occasionally and in moderation. Fully savor the flavors, textures, and aromas. Satisfying our sweet tooth doesn't have to derail our healthy eating goals. Enjoy delicious and nutritious desserts in moderation. These treats provide sweetness without added sugar and unhealthy fats. Fresh berries are a simple and satisfying option. They're low in calories and packed with antioxidants. For a decadent treat, try dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao. It's rich in antioxidants and linked to health benefits. Throughout this exploration of healthy eating, we've journeyed through a day filled with nourishing choices, from a power-packed breakfast to a satisfying dinner, with mindful indulgences along the way. Remember, the goal isn't to adhere to a rigid diet plan, but to cultivate a mindful approach to food, recognizing its power to fuel our bodies and enhance our well-being. We've debunked the outdated notion that extra weight equates to well-being, embracing instead a holistic view of health that encompasses not just what we eat, but also how we move our bodies, manage stress levels, and prioritize sleep. It's about recognizing that true living well involves treating our bodies with respect, providing them with the nourishment they need to thrive, and engaging in activities that support both our physical and mental health. This journey towards wellness isn't about striving for perfection or adhering to unrealistic standards. It's about making gradual, sustainable changes that become integrated into our daily lives, forming the foundation for a healthier, happier us. As we conclude our exploration of a day of healthy eating, remember that this is not a destination, but a lifelong journey. It's about making conscious choices each day that align with our health goals, recognizing that small changes can have a significant impact over time. Some days will inevitably be easier than others. There will be times when we succumb to temptation, overindulge, or simply fall short of our intentions. The key is to approach these setbacks with self-compassion, viewing them not as failures but as opportunities for growth and learning. Remember, building a healthy relationship with food and with our bodies is a process, not an overnight transformation. Embrace the journey, celebrate small victories, and never underestimate the power of consistency. By prioritizing nourishing foods, staying active, managing stress, and getting enough sleep, we provide our bodies with the tools they need to thrive. Over time, these healthy habits become second nature, transforming not just our bodies but our minds and spirits as well.